features a steel launch tube towering at 17 feet with a thickness of 0.4 inches. Prior to production, the steel tube undergoes meticulous measurements to ensure it meets the design specifications. The installation of this colossal firework involves the use of cranes for aerial placement within the launch tube. Thanks to the unwavering dedication of Japanese artisans and their commitment to meticulous craftsmanship, the Yonshakudama promises a breathtaking display that far surpasses the effects of the American 62-inch firework. Now let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of this pyrotechnic masterpiece.